Hi there. I have this Coglan's survival kit in a can that a friend gave me over a decade ago and it's just been sitting on a shelf and never really looked at it, never seen one, never looked at a video of one, so I'm just going to open it up and see what's in here and share what my opinion of the contents is. I'll get right to it. Alright. This is a sticker. Basically, there's a list of all the things on here. I can't read it without my glasses, but oh yeah, I can. If I look real close. Contents, compass. I'm not going to go ahead and read that. I'm just going to look at it. This doesn't look like it's too dangerous like some of that tin stuff is. It's not very sharp or anything. But anyway, alright. I got something on the cover, on the top, covering it all. It's probably a piece of duct tape is my guess. Oh yeah, it's a piece of duct tape. I guess it's about 8 inches, a foot of duct tape. Not much, but it's something. Let's see, what's this? Whatever it is, it's hard. It's expired, obviously. Bovril. Some Bovril. Whatever that is. Easy, fast dissolving Bovril sachets. Add rich flavor to soups, stews, gravies, rice, stir fries, and casseroles. Also delicious as a hot drink. Take packets to school or work. Stir contents of 1 sachet into 3/4 cups of boiling water. See, this is probably just like a bouillon product. You know, it's got some other kind of sticker on here. I guess that's yeah, it says chicken bouillon. It's written in a different language. Ingredients. So yeah, it's like a chicken bouillon. Morale booster, maybe a little bit of nutrient, probably mostly salt. Anyway, next item. What do we got here? A plastic bag. A Ziploc bag. A Ziploc bag can be used for many things, like holding stuff, holding water. Or you want to put purification tablets in here, purify water or whatever. That's a Ziploc bag. Alright. Got some matches, strike anywhere matches. They got a neat little like design on there, like a campfire or something in the forest. The striker on the back. Everybody's seen what a book of matches is. I just want to go ahead and test and see if these are any good. Oh wow, look at that, starts right up. Well, these are old, like I said, 10 years old, but these are fine. They've been in a sealed container, so yeah. I guess it wasn't airtight because this thing is all hard and like discolored. You can see the discoloration down here. Some bleed through, I guess. That smells good. Matches. Alright. Oh look, and we got a packet of tea. It just smells like tea. Just looks like tea, feels like tea, just a bag of tea. Okay, what's this? Oh. The original double bubble. Oh man, this takes me way back. Remember when we were kids? I'm 48 years old now. I remember we used to get this stuff and open these up and there'd be a joke on here, a comic or something. Oh my god. This is like, I guess for morale or something like that. Anyway, the gum seems alright. No. Just like very crunchy, rubble stuff. Tastes the same, just like, oh my god, I'm 5 years old again. I love this stuff. I haven't had this since I was a kid. It's all crunchy and it crunches like hard candy and then it turns into gum. But anyways, it's a morale booster or something like that. We got a razor blade. Well, it's a razor blade. It's not rusted. I'm not going to take it out because I'm going to have to rip it right here. If I do, I'll just leave it in there. Oh. Got some more matches. These look like they might be strike anywhere matches, but they got a little glob of wax on the top to keep them waterproof. All these do. I remember learning about this. Dip your matches in wax and make them waterproof. So it looks like they've done that for you already. And then some string. I don't know what this is. Looks like a little, kind of like a, oh, the string is held together with a, like a twist tie. Some kind of nylon string. Seems to be pretty tough. Held together with a twist tie. I don't know how many feet it is. Looks like it's like the three ply twisty strand. Important stuff to have. You could, anything you can do with that. Got a little roll of brass wire, some tape around it holding it together. Traps, fishing, whatever. Some thread. Seems to be some good high quality thread. Oh, cool. Little compass. Is it working? Seems like it's working. Let's see. Yep. Yeah, it's pointing north. Like a pen. I guess a pen. Oh, it works really good. Look at that. It's even got like a thing to hook it onto something with. You can hook it on to something to hold it on there. Like a pocket. Whatever. Oh boy. I don't know what these are. Just sitting loose in there. Probably smell it. Probably some kind of fire starter. It's like a fire starter. 2 cubes. Test that out. Got a couple nails. Just regular nails. I don't know. I've used nails before to create like little trigger mechanisms and whatnot for traps or whatever. Yeah, a sewing needle. I'm gonna spit this gum out now. It's probably annoying. Stick it to the bow reel. Large sewing needle. Safety pins. Whoops. 2 different sizes of safety pins. Important stuff to have in case your clothes break and if they gotta pin them together or whatever. And some fish hooks. A couple fish hooks. Oh wow, this is like a little cheap Cracker Jack's box whistle. It doesn't have a bead in it or anything. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Sorry about that noise. You gotta test your whistle. Alright, what else? Oh good, some more goodies. Well, what's this? Ah. A packet of sugar. For your tea or your whatever. This. Yeah. Morale. And a piece of hard candy. Whatever this is. Like, probably a pina colada. Let's try it. Ooh, stripes. Yep. Yep. I don't know what flavor it is yet. Just sweet. I don't know. Huh. Don't even know what it tastes like. Spearmint, peppermint, something like that. Very faint, not very minty at all, but just mostly sweet. So pull everything out of here. Just let it sit over here on the side. Alright, this is what I pulled out. A mirror. I don't know if it's a sticker. Looks like just a reflective surface. So you can attract attention, I guess. Reflective, yeah. Whoops. Alcohol swabs. Things are probably dried out by now. Used for cleaning around cuts and scrapes that came from getting infected. And of course, they can also be used for. Oh yeah, they're nice and wet. Could also be used to start a fire with because it's alcohol. A couple more of these twist ties. 2 adhesive strips, band-aids, band-aid type things. I mean, you know, a little boo-boo material. It's important to stop little cuts from bleeding if you got one on your finger or whatever. You know, it's good to have something like that, I guess. Anyway, it isn't adhesive all the way around, so you know, unless you pull it tight, there's going to be dirt and shit getting in there, water. And then it looks like we got this pad of paper, so you can draw on it, leave a note, take notes. Wow, it's plenty long. It's not for writing your will. The whole point of survival is that you're going to make it out alive. So that's that. And then last, we got the Coglan's helpful tips to survival in the outdoors. And on the back, shows you how to use the mirror. There's a little solar still. Basic diagrams. SOS. I'm not going to read this, but you know, just some basic common sense survival stuff, I guess. Don't get your hopes up on this survival still thing though. I mean, if you got the extra energy, but yeah, man, there's a lot of controversy concerning those. Anyhow, that is the kit. Oh right, we're going to test this, and of course this you can use to I don't know how safe it is to boil food in or whatever. It's probably just aluminum, tin or something. So yeah, you can boil water here in a pinch or whatever. You know, let's try this. Let's try this. Try one of these wax tipped matches this time. Let's see. Yeah, there sure is some wax on there. Yeah, that's gonna be. Scrape it off with my fingernail. Huh. Come on now. Let's go. Oh, there it is. All right. Is this a really good fire starter? Let it catch, and then I'll try and blow it out. It's probably gonna go right out. I don't know. It smells more like. Anyway, I'll try and blow it out. Yeah, it's just a small source of tinder. So I didn't see any tablets in here or anything to purify water with, so you know. At least you could use this tin to boil water with in a pinch. You got your fire making supplies. Because there's not much in here for shelter other than some cordage, some duct tape. This kit, I think, you know, it's just for what it is. Probably costs a few dollars. I don't know the price of it. I wouldn't go buy one. I'd put together my own custom kit. But if you just happen to have this sitting around in your car or whatever, you know, there's some useful items in here, no doubt. Can't go wrong with some of these things. Thread, needle, yeah, everything in here is useful for what it is. Not a bad little kit. I wouldn't you know, head out into someplace unknown just with this, of course. But it was just something that a buddy of mine handed me and said, hey, you know, I thought you were into survival. I know you like looking at this kind of stuff. And so, you know, I was happy to take a look at it, do a little rundown, show people what's inside of it. Anyway, that's enough of that. Signing off. Cheers.